Hi, Joel. So, Joel, we are on the last night of wake nga ni attorney Jose Sison, or more known as Papa Ping, right? Yeah. Yes. So, yeah, speaking of Papa Ping, can you tell me, ano yung pinagmulan? Bakit yun ang naging nickname niya sa inyo?
Kasi si Daddy ayaw, anything to do, have to do with getting old, ayaw niya. So isa yun yung sa mga grandchildren niya. Ayaw niya magpatawag ng lolo, si Mami ganun din, lola. So they want them to be known as Papa Ping to our grandchildren. Kaya naging Papa Ping and Mama Josie.
So, we know na, so, di ba, ang daming lumaki sa ipaglaban mo. So, how, parang paano yung naging effect niya? Parang may mga nagpapaselfie ba sa inyo sa school? Growing up, nung
Actually, yung naging popular yung I graduated high school na. So sa college, hindi naman ganun ka yung social life. So, hindi ako masyadong into the popular. I didn't like into the popularity. Pero nung nalaman eventually ng mga former class, yung mga high classmates ko, yun, they would see how I was doing.
Joel, so si attorney, ano yung fondest memory mo sa kanya?
Ako, marami yan eh. Well, in terms of yung religious life niya, yung faith niya with God, nag-ano siya, always, he shows us na we should have faith in God in everything and trust lahat kay Jesus. Kaya everyday he would hear Mass. He would say the rosary, and kung may Angelus at 6 p.m. or at 12 noon, kung kasama mo siya, he would stop to pray the Angelus at 6 p.m. So, like a prayer.
Ano yung best quality niya for you?
For me, marami rin. Well, una, the way he brought us up, he gave us parang freedom, you do whatever you like and try to be responsible with your life.
So, Joel, no, meron ka bang favorite episode na ipaglaban mo? Did you get to watch? Yes.
Yes, I got to watch siguro yung pinaka-memories ko yung movies na. That's it.
Yeah. So, last na lang, do you have anything na hindi mo nasabi sa kanya before he passed away?
Actually, wala naman. We always communicate. Kasi now that he was, before when he was old na, so may mga needs na siya na, so we always communicate ano yung kailangan mo, Dad. So we got to try to provide everything that he needs during his old age. So wala naman kami problem or anything left unsaid.
Thank you.
Ano nga name mo ulit?